Hi guys, today we're going to see about React Native camera using React Native image crop picker. So we can see the thing. We can open the npm package of React Native image crop picker. So here we can able to see the weekly downloads of more than 1 lakh, and then it has the version of 0.0442, and then the size of the package is greater than 2 MB, which is very crucial. So here we can see the image crop picker. Here using this image picker, we can able to open picker. So we need to open a camera. So we need to work image picker dot open camera. So these are all the default objects they were given. Using this thing, we can enable something or disable something. We can customize of the one thing. These are the props they have given. Okay, let's move into this blog. So in this blog, I have written the complete thing about this image React Native image crop picker. So we can choose the size of the thing, and then weekly downloads, all those things, and then implementation I have given clearly. First thing, we need to configure our permission in Android manifest.xml to get our camera and record permission. So this is the thing. So I have created a sample React Native project. So in this React Native project, simply installed a React Native image crop picker, the only one I'm having in this one. So first we need to go with Android permissions. So in this Android manifest.xml, which is inside Android app SRC main. So we need to add these two things, camera and record audio, for getting a permission request from the user, which is like this. Allow the particular project's pictures and video record. It will, if you are giving using this app, it will record automatically into the app default settings. If it's one time or daily, let me show you in this demo. And then this is the thing we have. This is the code we have to go with. Go to your app.css. So I'm having two functions. I'm just simply created two things. One function is for camera, another one function is for video. Let me share some demo. Let me open the project. So here I'm having two things, camera and video. When I clicking this camera, let me show the console also. Let me clicking this camera. It will ask the user to allow permission while using. It has three different things while using the app. Only this time and deny. Let me show you what it is. Go to app info. See here permission. See, we are having three types of thing. Initially, we haven't allowed anything, so no permission allowed was there. So here, ask every time for camera and denied for files and media microphone. So these are all the settings. Without using permission from user, we haven't accessed their camera. That's the basic rule. So when I'm clicking this, I'm just giving while using this app. Camera was opening. I can able to rotate this thing. We can capture the TV. Have captured. I'm just making a tick mark. After making a tick mark, this is the important feature for this app. After making a tick mark, we are allowing the user to crop an image. So we can able to crop image as we want. We can able to zoom it. So these are all the basic features they have given. After the thing, we need to do this check mark. Once you have checked, you can able to get the details here. So these are all the objects they have given. Let me copying this object. So this is the things they have given. The first they have given height, and then main type file path, size, all those things they have given. Okay, let me go with same thing about the video. When I'm clicking the video, I can able to capture, I can able to record. After recording the thing, we can able to preview the video. If phone is supported, it will give an object, so we can go with the code demo here. And I'm clicking this camera. So this is the function. I have used image picker. Image picker is taken from React Native image crop picker. I used open camera, as I told early. We are having few things. So here I have used open camera. My purpose is to only need to open my camera. So here I have enabled few things like cropping true is for final cropping, and then freestyle enable true media type photo. Once you have done all those things, you will get an yeah, final object in this image. The same thing I have used for video also. Image picker that open camera, the type of media should be image. Initially it was photo, here it is image. Other than that, everything is same. Here we need to if I need to do something like I can able to edit this cropping text bar. If I need to hide the bottom control, I can able to see. I'm just enabling two things: crop circle overlay true, and then hide bottom control. My app is getting hanged, so I have taken a picture. I have confirmed that picture. See, initially the structure of the thing was different, right? So here the bottom control was hidden because I have given these props, and then overlay circle is for profile thing. If we needed, we can customize like that, and also we can able to adjust the freestyle like that. So these are all the added advantage they have given. If you need to know more about this, you can easily go and check in this website. So in this npm package, they have given few things that was like see the cropping. They have given the type of the thing with height multiple. It's only for enable disable multiple image selections. That's for picking an image, not for camera. So and then we can type in include base 64 maximum file size they have given. If you guys need to know more about this, you can just go through this. I have just given a basic implementation to use this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys.